She walked back into Bethlehem with nothing but grief in her hands. No husband, no sons, just an empty name she gave herself. Mara. Bitter. She told everyone that God had stripped her bare, and she meant every word. But here is what she could not see yet. God was already moving. He was moving through a young widow named Ruth who refused to let go. He was moving through a wealthy farmer named Boaz who noticed a foreign woman gleaning at the edges of his field. He was moving through small acts of kindness that looked like coincidence but were anything but. Naomi called herself empty, and yet she came home. That is the part we miss. She did not run from God. She ran back to the place where God could find her. Sometimes the most faithful thing you can do is return. Broken, honest, hands open. Because God does not wait for you to feel whole before. He starts restoring you. He starts while you are still grieving. Your return is never too late. Follow for daily faith motivation.